Hi, this is Ambrosia with Weaving with Ambrosia, and we're coming to a close of our first video series on the rigid head loom, and we have our completed project. So what you'll see here is our log cabin pattern in the sage and beige, and you can see you have the vertical stripes and the horizontal stripes, and they change, so each one around is different. And these are absolutely beautiful, and they're very drapey, and they are far more absorbent than your traditional towel. We have two lovely towels that are completed. I went ahead and hemmed and pressed them, and what you'll find is these towels are actually more absorbent than your average towel, which is awesome. And this next video is just going to be the process of actually weaving. So what we're doing in order to create this pattern is we are actually changing colors every single pass. So we are going in with the green, then the tan, then the green, then the tan for the distance we want. I went ahead and matched it. So in the warp, every 6 strings is 1 block. So I went in with the green and then the tan 6 times in a row like that, and then I would switch. So once I got to the 6th pass on the second color, that's when I would actually go back in. Say if I ended with green, I'd go back in with green. If I ended with brown, I would go back in with brown. And here's a nice little line where you can kind of see you actually have, well, where is it? So right here, you can actually see we have 2 passes with the green. So you won't notice it for the most part, because when you're looking at it up close, it still has the vertical line here and it starts the horizontal line. And that's how we actually get the break. This is a great colorway pattern. Normally you see it in a much more distinct color scheme. So you'll see something like black with yellow or red and white or something like that. But I felt like it'd be nice to do it a very subtle, earthy feel. So that's kind of what we did. And now we have these beautiful earthy feeling towels that you could put in any kitchen without them being too attention grabbing, but also still very nice. Or if you even wanted to make it into a pillowcase, you could literally fit this into any decor. And I kind of wanted to show that just because you're doing a very vibrant pattern doesn't necessarily mean that it needs to overwhelm your house. And I think this is a great way to do it. The colors look great together. They're very soft together. The towels are very soft, and all in all, it's a beautiful project. And as you get closer, you really see those changes, so it's very subtle. I can attach a photo of another project I did with the exact same pattern, but with a navy and a yellow, which is far brighter, so you can see a greater contrast. But I did want to highlight that you could still do this in a more mild contrast and have a very warm feeling fabric. And when you're looking at it, you can just tell it's got a little bit of texture to it, it's got a little color to it, and that makes it a lot more fun than a basic plain green towel or a basic brown towel. So let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow this channel for more content. Enjoy the video.